Hello friends, today I will tell you how to take printout of AutoCAD drawing. Sometimes there is a problem in getting the printout on printers, as I was facing a problem when I was in the initial phase of my drawing. I was facing problem with because I was not having any plotter with me, so that was the problem. And there is when we see at the prints, we go to the print screen in case of you see here we need plotters, but in case of printers, when we go for sample drawing, you will see this display. You can choose the either you can choose the plain printers from this screen, or you can go for drawing to PDF. We can select drawing to PDF mode from here if we want the drawing in a PDF form, or we need to have the printout from any other PC or system. So we can select PC to drawing to PDF here for the PDF, whereas we can have direct printout on laser printers. But the problem which I faced was when we select here from here drawing to PDF, and whatever page I want, the page size, I'll select the drawing by clicking on this window. Now, when I go and see the preview, I'll see the walls in yellow color and blue color, where there is a problem with this. So when we take the printout, this will be slight blurred or having very low intensity. That is the yellow color. When we take the printout of this yellow color, this will not be shown properly in black and white laser printers or prints. So for this, we will have to change a few settings in the screen. I'll have to change this as monochrome monochrome.ctb from this thing. There are different options here. We can print as displayed, AutoCAD, fill pattern, grayscale, screening, or whatever we are watching over here on screen, we can get the printout. So when we see the difference in grayscale and monochrome. When we choose the grayscale, we will see these a bit lighter, which whatever the problem was earlier, that is yellow color, this will be seen in the print like this. So we'll have to change this from grayscale to monochrome. If we change this to monochrome, we will see the preview. This is the proper way to take the printout of AutoCAD drawing, or we can convert this drawing to PDF with the printers. Now, after getting this temporary command preview, okay, then you can save as whatever drawing name you want to save. You can save it, choose different folder, my desktop, AutoCAD 1. Now I'll save it. Now you can see, I'll show you the output of this command will be like this. See, this is the drawing. Whenever we'll take the printout of this drawing, this will be proper and this will be in black and white. So I think you might have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.